is a video on the Ingersoll Rand tow behind air compressor. Walk around. Tires look good. Hold on here. One-handed sucks here. Okay. Gas engine, pretty clean. Filters look good. Yeah, not much to say in here. Say new fuel pump. That's nice. It's a 2-inch ball. Got your leg and your wheel, so you can wheel it around. See, the tire looks good over here. 2 good tires. Start her up. On. Good to go.